What are the advantages of magnesium oxide ball press? 1. Magnesium oxide ball press material extrusion effect is good, high pelleting rate, high pelleting strength. 2. The roller surface is made of synthetic manganese steel material, which has good use effect, long service life, and wide selection range of roller diameter. The magnesium oxide ball press can also design the roller diameter and the whole machine power according to customer needs. 3. The use of dual shaft reducer structure improve the roller precision, gear using hard tooth face gear, improve the performance and life of the reducer. 4. Hydraulic standing, adjustable pressure and overpressure protection function. 5. Magnesium oxide ball press occupies a smaller space than the existing technology. Motor power loss is small, high power, less maintenance, adjustable speed value, improve the rate of ball formation. 6. The magnesium oxide powder in the dust collector bin is transported to the storage bin of the equipment by pipeline transportation. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.